If the door of your Candy Aquamatic AQUA 1142 done over one washing machine becomes stuck after a wash cycle, it is usually due to the washer's built-in safety locking system. Front-load washing machines automatically lock the door during operation to prevent water leaks and protect users from opening the machine while the drum is spinning. Sometimes the lock remains engaged briefly after the cycle ends, or if the machine detects water inside the drum. In most cases, the door can be released safely with a simple reset and a few quick checks. Try these. Step 1. Wait 2-3 minutes after the wash cycle finishes so the automatic door lock can release. Step 2. Check that the washer has completely stopped spinning and drain the water. Step 3. Turn the washing machine off and unplug it for about 1 minute to reset the locking system. Step 4. Plug the washer back in and try gently pulling the door handle again. Step 5. If the door still won't open, run a short drain or spin cycle to remove remaining water and release the lock.